2026 Toyota Prius LE stands out with its sleek aerodynamic profile, designed for maximum efficiency. Brought to you by Desert Toyota. Sharp LED headlights, a modern grille, and smooth body lines give it a futuristic look from every angle. Its lightweight design and bold stance elevate both style and performance. Under the hood, the Prius LE blends a refined hybrid powertrain with impressive fuel economy. Responsive acceleration, smooth transitions between electric and gas power, and composed handling make daily driving effortless. It's engineered for efficiency without sacrificing everyday drivability. The rear cabin offers surprising comfort, with ample legroom and supportive seating for passengers. A low-floor design enhances accessibility, while wide-opening rear doors make getting in and out easy. It's practical for commuters, families, and ride-share needs alike. Inside, the Prius LE delivers a clean and modern space centered around driver comfort. Soft-touch materials, a smart layout, and a spacious feel make the interior inviting. The digital gauge cluster and intuitive controls create a seamless, future-ready driving experience. Equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, the 2026 Prius LE includes advanced driver assistance like pre-collision braking, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control, and road sign assist. These features work together to enhance confidence and protection on every drive. Smart key access, automatic climate control, multiple USB ports, and flexible cargo space all come standard. The hatchback design makes loading groceries, gear, or luggage effortless. It's a car built around everyday practicality. The Prius LE features a user-friendly infotainment system with a bright touchscreen, wireless smartphone connectivity, Bluetooth, and integrated camera systems. Its digital displays deliver crisp visuals, while Toyota's latest software ensures smooth and responsive operation. The 2026 Toyota Prius LE blends futuristic styling, exceptional efficiency, and Toyota signature reliability into a well-rounded hybrid. With modern tech, thoughtful comfort, and advanced safety, It's an ideal choice for drivers who want value, innovation, and unmatched fuel savings in one package. You can view our selection at deserttoyota.com. Give us a call at 520-585-5413 or visit our showroom today.